Let us now deeply understand about useReducer hook using one simple analogy. And why I am focusing more on this topic, because this is one of the most important hook in React, and once you master this useReducer, you will be very comfortable when you start with your Redux journey. And also, let me tell you, this useReducer is most confusing hook, and even when I started, I was very confused and it was very difficult to understand this entire concept. Now, using this analogy, you will be having more understanding of this hook. So here, you had a very long day in school and now it's finally time to go home and you have reached the home. But you are very tired and also you are very hungry. So here there are two scenarios. Once you reach home, you can directly go to the kitchen and get the fruits from fridge, or you can tell your mom to get the fruits for you from the fridge. Why? Because you are very tired, because you had a very long day in school, and also while traveling you are not having enough of energy. So from these two options, you are going to choose the most convenient way and you will be selecting the second option, and you are going to tell your mom to get the fruits from fridge, and you also told what fruits you need. So what your mom will do? Your mom will take the request from you. Your mom will go to the fridge and whatever fruit you have requested, she will get that fruit and she is just going to handle that fruit to you. So the basic difference between two scenarios was, first, directly you will go to the kitchen and grab the food, or second, you will tell your mom to get the fruit for you. So mostly when we are tired, we always tell our mom or sister to get something for us so that we can have and get energy back. So now, using this simple analogy, let us identify what each of these pieces represent in useReducer mechanism. So first, starting with the state. So what do you think? What is state in this analogy? Clearly, state is nothing but our fridge, because this is where our fruits are stored, and once the fruits are taken, fridge will be updated. So the fridge is what needs to be updated. So that is our state. So next logical question is how the state is actually updated. So just think what you will be represented in this analogy, because here you are the one who is going home tired and requesting mom to get fruits. So it is clearly you are the dispatcher, because you are requesting the state update and we are passing this request to mom. So mom is nothing but reducer who is going to make the update. So fridge is the state where a state will be updated and you are the dispatcher who is requesting for that update. You are telling you want some fruits. So you are the dispatcher who is doing the state update, and mom is the reducer who is actually going to make that update. But how does your mom knows what fruit to get from fridge? She knows because you have exactly told her in your request message, I am very tired mom, could you please get me some oranges? So you have made clear request, and this request is nothing but action. So here we are telling how to make state update. So here, using this request message, you are telling how to make state update. And this is how action will be represented. Here I am having type get fruits and I am having payload as oranges. So understand this complete analogy. Once you understand, you will have clear understanding of useReducer hook. So here you are the dispatcher who is requesting for the update. So once you tell, if your mom brings the fruit, what happens? Inside the fridge, fruits will be reduced. So our state is updated. So you are the dispatcher who is requesting for state update, and inside fridge we are having the fruits. So fruits will be reduced. So fridge is updated. So that is the reason fridge is our state. And you are passing that request to mom. So mom is the reducer who is going to make that actual update. And how she is going to make that update? Because we have given her clear request message, and that message is nothing but an action using which you are telling how to update the state. So here in this analogy, your mom will be treated as middleman who knows lot better than you, and she can perform different actions on fridge. So your mom knows all the details about you. So you do not need to worry about any details. Simply you are going to pass the request. Accordingly, she is going to make the update. Similarly, in our reducer function will also abstract all the state updating logic away from us so that we can have clean and easy to understand components. I hope using this simple analogy, now you are having clear understanding of use reducer hook, what is state, what is reducer, what is dispatch, and what is action, how the state will be updated, on what basis state will be updated, how we have to request for state update, and who will be updating our state. So, using this simple analogy, you can easily apply all this concept inside your programming.